Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I take down my braidless crochet hairstyle. So this is the Freetress ringlet curly hair and it's been about 3 weeks, and honestly I'm so ready to take it out because this hair tangled a lot. So okay, we're going to be starting off with the hair. As you can see, I'm going to be struggling to get it untangled because like I just said, this hair, it really tangled a lot throughout the time of me wearing it. You're going to feel for the knot. Once you feel for the knot and you find it, you're just going to pull it and then it should come right out. Now you'll see me struggling, but that's only because the hair is tangled. And this is a method that you would use if you want to reuse your hair. I'm not going to be reusing this hair, but this is just for future styles. If you want to reuse the hair, this is one of the methods that you would use. And then this is my hair after I took the crochet braids out. And like I was explaining in my other video, it's very, very important for you to take care of your natural hair underneath your protective styles. You see how shiny my hair still is, even though it's been put away for 3 weeks? This is why I make sure that I put leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream on my hair before I put a protective style in. And of course, you're just going to wash and condition your hair as such. I did go in and deep condition my hair as well. And thank you for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.